Hey guys, good day, and I hope you're doing fine. I just wanna show you and unbox my newest acquisition. I think this is the vintage mask vehicle and figure. Okay, so check it out. It's not really in mint condition anymore since this is an 80s vintage toy. So let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, there you go. Yeah, so this is M.A.S.K mobile armored strike command Raven, neatly wrapped. This is the Corvette, and it changes to a armed seaplane. Again, this is a 1986 vintage M.A.S.K vehicle, and this is the figure included. Really looks good. Nothing else is here. Wait. So this is Calhoun Stonewall Burns, if I'm not mistaken, with the Gulliver mask. There. Okay. So he's a master of illusion. Okay. So the paint job really looks 100% new. Really well kept. Okay. There. As usual, the face is not really painted in detail. Okay. This is around 2.5 inches. And this is the Raven vehicle. Okay. The Corvette that changes into a armed seaplane. So let's see if I can transform it to the alternate vehicle. So there's a button here that I need to press. See, again, here's the button. Okay, then you have to fold the wheels and put these up. Okay, then press this. Oh, no, I'm sorry. You just have to the gullwing doors. Open it. Then sorry. Press this one to reveal the spoiler and the thrusters. Okay. Then fold these wheels, and you can also reveal these pulsar blasters, if I'm not mistaken. And I don't know if there are any blades included. Well, I think it's not here, but oh no, it's here. It's inside. There. The blades. I'm gonna check if it fires. Wait. This is my first time to have mask vehicles. My first vehicle was Condor. I bought it like last year, and wait, okay. So it has to fire. It has to fire uh, the disc when pressed here. I don't know why doesn't it work, but it's all here. I'll check. Wait. There you go. There's the disc. First disc. There's the other disc. It's all complete, but I really don't know why doesn't it work. Maybe because it's old, but it fires. No problem with that. That's the important thing. It's complete. Okay, so I'm gonna find out how to fix the launcher. But as always, I'm always happy that all the vehicles I purchase are complete. And there's a seat belt here. You need to detach a seat belt, then place the pilot here. You should fold the legs of the pilot before you place him in the vehicle. So see, then okay, can latch the seat belt here in the slot to secure the pilot, but it's really difficult to do when there's a pilot sitting already. So there, it's latched slot, then we're all done. It's Raven with pilot Calhoun Burns. This is from the second series of the toy collection. I already completed the first series, and I'll be sharing that to you soon. But for the meantime, I'm gonna show you my latest mask. This is my latest vehicle, acquired 2 days ago, and it only came by mail this morning. So it's all 100%. Looks good, 100% complete, for a 1986 toy. Man, this is well kept. Just have to figure out how to fix the launcher of the blades. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my short unboxing of Raven. And I promise I'm gonna show you more of my mask collections. So thanks for watching, and stay safe, stay healthy.